Alright, here we go with a 13 Rookies and Stars. Really nice product. Show off the logo there. As for the box number, I guess we'll go 45. And 13 Rookies and Stars. 24 packs, 8 cards per pack. The promise is 4 hits and very nice design on these cards, as I've said in previous breaks. This is classic Rookies and Stars. You get one rookie a pack, one base rookie, and then it's usually an insert or something in each pack. You get some nice stuff out of this product. So we're gonna see. We're gonna roll the dice again with this and see if I can land anything nice with this break. I'm almost tempted to get a case of this product at this point. First pack right off the bat with a Vance McDonald. All that talk and build up, and we got Vance out of 299. So I kind of jinxed the box with that, but I don't know. Vance might be able to play a little more next year or in the future. Don't really know. I think he saw the field a little this past season, but that card will be available for sale or trade for sure. And we have it out of 5. That's a nice one. Sheldon Richardson, Defensive Rookie of the Year. It's got a little dinged corner, but it's still a nice card out of 5. That is nice. Put that in the hits pile. Rick Rogers. Just impressed by this product. You seem to get a lot of nice stuff. It's an NFL Nation, Deshaun Jackson. It's one of the insert subsets. And, of course, the mandatory step fan. Can't do a break without him, right? Let me take off my jacket. Okay, back at it. Okay, and we're back at it. Got a lot of base in this pack. Jordan Reed is our rookie. The Redskins standout. And base. As for bonus hits and Rookies and Stars, I don't think I've ever seen. We haven't pulled one from this stuff. Is this an auto? Probably. Okay. Longevity, Philip Thomas. Not sure if he played a lot this year. You Redskins fans can let me know on that one. There's a Rodney Smith. He seems to be in a lot of product that I've ripped recently. So I guess we're still waiting on 3 hits, which is nice. Shady, and there's an Arian Foster touchdown club, one of the insert sets. Earthy, like 6 touchdowns last year. And base. Jason Witten, longevity, not numbered. And Ace Sanders. This is a fatty. This might be a hit. Jonathan Franklin to $2.99. So I got 2 of these in one box. Nice looking card. Don't know how much he'll play in it. That's my second one. Longevity, EJ Manuel. Nice. This product's loaded. And I think these boxes were $52. I don't know how you can beat that, really. Very nice product. I also like how you get to open 24 packs. I like having a lot of packs to open when I do a box break. Eric Fisher and a statistical standouts. Brandon Marshall, nice little card there. There's the Fisher and base. Looks like we had about 12 packs and 2 hits. Just a spacer. That's cool. Robert Griffin, NFL Nation. And of course, the mandatory Tavares. Darren McFadden, longevity. There's Randall. Touchdown Club, Victor Cruz. Connor Vernon, rookie. It's a fatty. Nick Casa. Marquise Goodwin. Crusade. Blue, not numbered. And a Lacey. 2 hits. Xavier Rhodes auto. Yep, that's nice. To 10. That's really nice. Xavier Rhodes autograph to 10. That's awesome. There's Alec. So we're just waiting on the jersey. That should be the last hit. Here it is. Christian Michael. Longevity to 299. Very nice. So that was a very nice break. And a Lattimore base rookie. This product is incredible. Game plan, Andrew Luck. Nice. Brady Crusade. This is all in one box, all these cards. Awesome cards. Dennis Johnson. He played a little bit. There's a Ray Rice. Assault SSP. Statistical standout Stafford and a Joko base rookie. And base. 2 packs. We have a Jonathan Franklin Blue Crusade. It's tough to get the ones that are actually numbered. Philip Thomas again. Last pack. Call in bonus hit. Call in bonus hit. Nope, no bonus. Nice. And then with CPAT. Very good box. second base. So a lot of nice cards. This is the stack of sleeve cards, hard case cards. I'm just going to go through and do a quick recap. Here we go. Christian Michael, longevity jersey to 299. Xavier Rhodes, autograph, number to 10. That's really nice. Jonathan Franklin, jersey autograph to 299. This is a really SSP card. Sheldon Richardson, 5 of 5. Don't know what this is called. It's not longevity. It's an SP though. And Vance McDonald, jersey auto to 299. Very nice product and break. Thanks.